Hey, my name is Andi Bühler. This is the drum code Swing 2. Today we're actually going to play the swing. In swing 1, before the swing, we had these quarter notes going on. Just playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to get free with the left hand and the bass drum and all that stuff. So if we put words on these quarter notes and we say it's like just not 1, 2, 3, 4, it's swing, yeah, swing, yeah, swing, yeah, swing, yeah. We have a bit of an accent on the yeah, which is our backbeat. Swing, yeah, 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 swing, yeah. And look at this motion. So it's not just open, it's this down-up motion, or better, up-down. See, first one is an up, and the second one is a down, but you open the hand so the stick is not like with the downbeat on the cymbal. The tip is up. Swing, yeah, swing, yeah, swing, yeah, swing, yeah. And then we add swing, yeah, the swing, yeah, the swing, yeah, the swing. And this little duh, that makes the quarter notes to an actual swing groove. Swing, yeah, the 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 swing. I know this is kind of a groovy approach to the swing pattern. So there are many ways to accent and to create a swing pattern, and there are different musical styles, different jazz styles, different swing styles, whatever. I like this one because it's kind of a groove itself. And you have this backbeat going on 2 and 4. I like it like this. Try it out for this exercise. Because if you have this constant motion, you're free with the left hand and the right hand to do whatever you want. So let's add the hi-hat on swing, yeah, swing, yeah, swing, yeah, the swing, yeah, swing, yeah, the swing, yeah, the swing, yeah, the swing. Yeah. If it goes up in the tempo, the 8th notes are getting even. Ta-ka-tum, ta-ta-tum, ta-ta-tum, ta-ta-tum. Like a train. Alright, so now we're adding the left hand snare drum and we're playing the spots of the 16 combinations. Only the snare drum, only the black spot. So it's just the positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For those of you who are technically advanced, just go up in the tempo. See that it's still groovy, but you can go up wherever you want. All right, so same thing now for the jazz waltz. We had the quarter notes. Swing, yeah, swing, swing, yeah, swing, swing, yeah, swing, swing, yeah, swing. So the yeah is on the 2. Swing, yeah, swing, 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 swing. Same thing, left hand snare drum plays the black spot. All right, so try to make this thing yours. Try to keep that constant motion on the right cymbal for the swing or the jazz waltz. And now, I mean, if you really want to dig into this world, you need to listen to the music, because from the music there's the groove. Why we play all that stuff? You just can listen to it. It's not all these patterns. It's this workshop. I know you can practice this all the time, but it's your ears that tell you if it's right or wrong, if it feels good or if it's nothing. So, because it's not only a technical thing. I mean, it's a great thing for your independence, but in the end, you want to play that music. You want to be able to understand what's going on there and why the swing pattern is so famous. So wherever you go, whatever you want to listen to, I prefer in the beginning with my students to listen to some Count Basie, which is like the band lead, a big band leader. He's dead now. But this music is really groovy, and it's played loud, so you're really hearing what the drummer is doing, and it's not too fast. It's kind of bluesy, Count Basie. Just try it out. All right. So next step would be to add the bass drum to all that stuff. So it's not only the black spots, it's as well the white spots. Black spots, snare, and the white spots, bass drum. Just showing you a little example. I mean, I guess it's clear what I mean. So again, swing, 16 combinations. I'm playing you the first 5 lines from the 16 combinations with the swing pattern. Swing, yeah, the 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 swing, yeah. 2, 3, 4, swing, yeah, the 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 swing, yeah, Have fun with it, and now off to your rehearsal room. See you soon, bye.